Guys, welcome back once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up an account with Payoneer and receive payment from all over the world. Now, one of the beauties of having an account with Payoneer is you get to have your own unique account with different currency. Okay, you can have a USD account, you can have a Euro account, you can have a Chinese account, you can have any account. Okay, and the beauty of this is you can receive payments without limitation and have these funds move directly to your local account. Okay, so let's say you are into affiliate marketing and you've been having difficulties with receiving payment from abroad. Now is a good time to create an account with Payoneer and receive payment with no limitation. Okay, additionally, I'm also going to show you how you can get a $50 sign up bonus. This is no BS. If you go over to their website right now, you're not going to see this bonus there, but if you are ready to use the link I'm going to add at the description of the video, once you've successfully created your account, you're going to get this $50 sign up bonus. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to the computer right here and walk you through the whole step-by-step process and show you how you can successfully create your account and activate the account to start receiving dollar payment. All right, thank you for watching and stay tuned.
Okay guys, welcome back once again, and like I said initially, I said I'm going to show you how you can get a $50 sign up bonus on your account. So as you can see now, this is the general home page for Payoneer, and if this is what you want to do, you're not going to get the sign up bonus. Okay, so I said I'm going to add a link at the description of the video that is going to give you the $50 sign up bonus. Okay, so I'm going to show you now that this is actually working. Okay, so I'm going to copy the link now, then paste it on a new browser so you can actually see for yourself that you can get the $50 sign up bonus. Okay, so as you can see, sign up and earn $50. Now this is the link I'm going to add at the description of the YouTube video. Okay, so this is the link that is going to give you the extra bonus of the $50, but if you have to go to the normal home page, you're not going to get this $50 sign up bonus. Okay, so once you are done with the video, once you've gone through the video and you are ready to set up the account yourself, so all you have to do is just go to the description of the video, click the link, sign up and get the $50 sign up bonus. All right, so what we're going to do now is you're going to click on this sign up and earn $50 to proceed with the account creation. All right, so I have an account with Payoneer already, but I'm going to be using a friend's account to create the video tutorial for us. Okay, so in your own case, once you see something like this, what you're going to do is just come here, then click on something you are actually doing. Okay, so I'm going to choose an individual, or you can actually choose an affiliate marketer, but let's go with individual, and you're looking to get, okay, you know what, let's go with affiliate marketer, then get paid by publisher, networks and platform. Good. All right, so affiliate marketer, get paid by publisher, affiliate networks and marketing platform. So what you want to do now is just click this register button here. So it's going to bring out the whole process. Okay, so as you can see, we have individual and we have company. So obviously what you're going to choose is the individual. So right here you're going to enter your full name. Okay, so let me quickly enter the full name and the first name for the person, the last name, the email address, then I'm going to re-enter the email address, then the date of birth. So I'm quickly going to do that right now without wasting much of our time. Okay, so I'm done with the all details. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is click this next button to proceed to the next stage. Okay, so just cross check if everything you've entered is correct, and once it's correct, all you need to do is just click the next button to proceed to the next stage. Okay, so your country is going to be the country you are reside. Okay, so in my own case, I'm going to choose Nigeria here, then right here I'm going to paste the address for the owner of this account. So enter the zip code of the town you are. So in my own case, let me just put the one here, then enter the person's phone number. Okay, so the number you're going to be entering is going to be a number that you can use to receive the code to activate your account. Okay, so I'm quickly going to come up with the number we're going to be using so I can easily activate the account right here. Okay, All right, so I've entered the number here, so I'm going to click send the verification code so I can activate the account can be activated. So I'm just going to wait for the code. And once the code enter, so the code has entered, so I'm going to put it right here now. So 164. All right, so the next thing you have to do now, just click on next. All right, so here you're going to choose the password that you want to use. Okay, so let me quickly enter the password for the owner of the account. Okay, so you want to re-enter the password here. Okay, so now you're going to choose a security question. Now the security question you're going to choose should be something you can easily remember. Okay, so this is going to be for security purpose, probably in case you forgot your password or you want to change a very important stuff in your own account. These are the questions they're going to ask you. So right now, let me just choose one of these. All right, so here you're going to choose the ID you want to use to verify the account. Okay, so if it's driver's license, if it's passport, and if it's national ID, all you just need to do is just specify the one you want to use. So in my own case, I'm going to go with driver license, and I'm going to add the license number here. All right, so let me quickly copy that, then paste the number here. Then the expiration date, let me look that up. Okay, so date of expiration should be 2022. All right, so what I have to do now is to enter the code below. So this is D28C4. All right, so the next thing we want to do now is click the next button. Okay, all right, so we are almost done with the account. So please add a bank account for withdrawal that belongs to you or your company. Okay, so what we're going to do here is simply enter the bank you want to be using. Okay, so let me quickly go with Access Bank. I'm not sure I have the account number here, but for tutorial purpose, let me quickly add a random number. I'm sure I can edit that later. Okay, so I'm going to add my own account number here instead of the. Okay, so I'm going to add 001 Okay, so click I agree to terms and conditions, then click that. Then what you want to do now is hit the submit button. All right, so our account is now set up. Okay, so what you want to do now, you're going to wait for them to review the account, and within 2 to 3 business days they are going to get back to you by sending an email notification to you if your account is being set up or not. But in the meantime, what you want to do now is you can actually log into the account and see what you have to do pending the time the account is approved. Okay, so what we're going to do now is let's go to my account, let's log into the account and see what is required of us. Okay, so I'm going to click on the sign in button now so we can sign in with the details we used to create the account now. All right, so let me enter the email address. Okay, two-step verification, so you don't have to turn this on right now. Okay, you can do that later. So in my own case, I'm just going to click not now. So with that, we should be able to log into the account. Okay, so as you can see now, update your account information. In order to continue to your Payoneer account, please update the following information. Select a security question. What was the model of your first car? So let's just put the answer here. Then another security question, then put the answer again. Okay, so after that, click the submit button. All right, so we are now inside the account. So as you can see now, this is the name of the owner of the account, Demilade Makinde. You have information to submit in the verification center. So let's click the submit now to have an idea of what we are going to submit in order to activate our account. Okay, so they are going to ask you to verify some certain, okay, as you can see, to avoid potential delay in accessing future fund, we need a few details to verify your account. Okay, so let me click on this. Okay, so you can either upload a passport or a driver's license. So what you need to do is just take a screenshot or take a camera shot of the passport or the driver's license, then click on this button to upload the photo on your device. So once you upload it, they are going to review it, and if they approve it, they are going to activate your account. So this is basically everything you need to know while creating your own Payoneer account. So once your Payoneer account is active, so what you want to do is, if you want to receive payment from anybody, you're going to come here, click on receive, and it's going to list out the numbers of accounts you have. So because the account is not yet activated, I'm not sure we're going to have any account right now. Okay, so this is basically everything you need to know while creating your account. And once the account is activated, the $50 bonus I talked about is going to be added to your account, but you can't withdraw the money immediately. You have to make a certain amount of transaction on your account before you can actually have access to the $50 sign up bonus. Okay, so like I said, go to the description of the video and click on the link below to create your own Payoneer account. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.